Minister by Shebley Barnett. Mr. Prime Minister, big up yourself, sir. You make a new meaning for the term Jamaica liquor, but with Talawa. Them did think only reggae and athlete can come out of Jamaica. No other country have big we up, and I say we have the best Prime Minister. Just through how your angle Corona. The first brilliant decision they make, sir, was to lock down the school. Cause we have to protect we pitney them. Them are the future and that them are gonna come rule. When you lock down the port, me glad me didn't want you to do that long time. Cause probably we could have less people for quarantine. But now our bro God, trust me, you're doing fine. Me not see no sort of stress pan you. Me not know if you're panic a yard. But the executive decision the way you do, don't tell me no say them they must hard. Your regular update them, and we well informed. And that keep more so we calm. Your curfew them copacetic. Your police and soldier them strict. Me not even didn't know say dance, beach and church could ever stop keep. Who do you think, Prime Minister? Your whole country they behind you. And when this corona thing over, I would have loved to meet you. If you have time, remember, my name is Ashaya. And when corona done, me I go salute you and shake off your answer. So for the sake of all away, me I beg you, please keep safe. Cause we wouldn't want nothing to happen to you. Thank you, and I hope you know we care.